In 1977, astronomers detected a powerful radio signal from space that lasted 72 seconds. Dubbed the wow signal, it has puzzled scientists for decades. The signal was detected by the Big Ear radio telescope at Ohio State University, and it was so unusual that astronomer Jerry Amon scribbled "wow" next to the data. Despite numerous attempts, researchers have never been able to replicate the signal, leading to various theories about its origin. Recently, a new explanation has emerged, suggesting the signal may have come from a comet passing through the solar system. This theory posits that the comet's hydrogen cloud could have emitted the radio frequencies detected as the wow signal. While this explanation is compelling, many scientists remain skeptical, as the comet theory has yet to be conclusively proven. The wow signal, potentially explained, unraveling the mystery. Imagine this. It's 1977, and astronomers are scanning the sky for signals from outer space. Suddenly, a burst of energy, unlike anything we've ever seen, appears out of nowhere. It's brief, lasting just 72 seconds, but its intensity is unlike anything our instruments have ever recorded. The signal is so peculiar, in fact, that the scientist who found it, Jerry Amon, wrote one word in the margins of his notes: wow. And with that, the wow signal was born. For over 4 decades, the wow signal has intrigued scientists, sparked theories, and ignited imaginations across the world. Was it a message from an extraterrestrial civilization trying to reach us from the stars? Or was it something else? Something much more mysterious, something we still don't fully understand? To this day, no one knows for sure where it came from, but recent developments are shedding light on what might be behind this cosmic enigma. Could the wow signal finally be explained? Today, we'll dive into the latest theories that could solve this riddle, and along the way, we'll uncover a few surprises that might just challenge everything you thought you knew about space and the search for alien life. Let's start with the basics. In 1977, Jerry Amon was working at the Big Ear radio telescope in Ohio. While monitoring the sky, his equipment picked up a signal so strong and so unusual that it left everyone scratching their heads. It didn't fit the pattern of anything known. No radio waves from Earth, no interference from satellites. The signal was a clear anomaly, coming from the direction of the constellation Sagittarius. It lasted 72 seconds, just long enough to be detectable, but not long enough to repeat. And that's the kicker. After that, no signal ever came again. So what exactly happened that day? Over the years, a lot of speculation has swirled around the idea that the wow signal was some kind of interstellar communication, a signal sent by intelligent extraterrestrial life. It makes sense, right? A brief, one-time burst coming from far away could be an attempt to make contact. But what if the answer is much simpler, perhaps even stranger than we could have imagined? Here's where things get interesting. In recent years, a number of scientists have put forward a completely different explanation for the wow signal, one that involves something much more natural and much closer to home: comets. That's right. In 2017, astronomer Antonio Paris and his team proposed a groundbreaking theory. The wow signal may have come from a comet. Specifically, Paris suggested that the signal could have originated from a hydrogen cloud around a comet, which, when hit by radiation from the sun, could produce radio waves in the same frequency as the wow signal. But here's the kicker. The comet in question wasn't discovered until years later, after the wow signal was detected. Could it really have been the same comet, or one just like it? In fact, this theory was given even more weight when the Arecibo Observatory, the same place where the wow signal was first detected, caught similar signals coming from other comets in later years. The comet 266P Christensen, for example, emitted radio waves that matched the WOW signal's unique characteristics. And what's even more puzzling, the signal was only detected once, just like with the WOW signal. Could it be that a comet passed through the area and created this one-time burst? Now you might be wondering, how can we be sure it was a comet? Well, it's complicated. No one can say with certainty that the WOW signal came from comet 266P Christensen, but there's strong evidence that the signal's origin could be linked to cometary activity. This theory fits all the facts we know about the signal, its strength, frequency, and most importantly, its fleeting nature. And there's another layer to this mystery. A different theory suggests that the WOW signal could have been caused by a hydrogen mesa emission, a phenomenon in which hydrogen clouds around stars or magnetars become energized and emit radio waves. This would explain the signal's intensity and why it only happened once. Could this be the natural cosmic event that produced such a powerful and brief burst? While the idea that the WOW signal was a signal from an alien civilization remains tantalizing, the natural explanations seem to be gaining more ground. Yet, even if the signal wasn't from an extraterrestrial intelligence, it doesn't make the mystery any less fascinating. In fact, it only raises even more questions about the strange and unpredictable nature of space. Could there be other cosmic events out there, phenomena that we haven't yet discovered, that produce signals like the WOW signal? Could our understanding of radio emissions still be in its infancy? The WOW signal isn't just a signal. It's a cosmic riddle that challenges everything we think we know about the universe. So, while we may never have a definitive answer, the WOW signal remains a testament to our unrelenting curiosity and our drive to explore the unknown. Whether it was a comet, a hydrogen cloud, or a distant alien message, the WOW signal will continue to inspire us to look deeper into the mysteries of space. Join us as we continue to explore these fascinating intersections of science, technology, and the unknown. Together, let's seek out the deeper truths that shape our understanding of the universe and everything within it.